This phrase actually passed me by when I did the question, but the fact that it rattles nicely simply means that there is some money in there, because a possible solution otherwise would be that x and y are both equal to 0. A bit of a trivial solution, but it would satisfy the conditions. So let's take a look. We've got x pound coins. That means in terms of pennies, we've got 100x worth of money. And then y pennies. So that is how much we had, well, in one scenario. If instead we have y pound coins, so that would be 100y and x pennies, then we would only have half as much. So that means I'm going to need to times it by 2 to make it equal to the original. And what we've done is set up an equation with x and y, remembering that x and y have to be integers. This is actually known as a Diophantine equation. And the hope is that you've encountered these before. If you've not, then listen on and I'll explain it for the first time. But these quite frequently come up in maths challenges. So we can solve this. We just need to really carefully think about, well, there's a nice process that we can do. First of all, let's try and simplify it and get just single terms of containing x and y's. So 200y plus 2x here, minus the 2x, 98x is going to equal 199y. Now, what this actually means is that x, like these are co-prime. They do not share any common factors. So x must be a multiple of 199 of that. And you can actually see that by dividing through by 199. Y is then equal to 98 over 199 times x. So for y to be a whole number, x has to be a multiple of 199. And in a similar way, if we divide it through by 98, then we've got 199 over 98 times y is equal to a whole number, so y must be a multiple of 98. So the smallest amount of money that's going to work is if we take these, we don't go with like 7 times 98, we don't use a big multiple of 98, we just use the smallest multiple of 98, which is in fact 98. So when x is equal to 199, the smallest multiple of 199, and y is equal to 98. So this, now I need to come back to here. Okay, so I had x pound coins and y pennies. So then I've got 199 times 100. So 19,900 pennies plus my 98 pennies, which is going to be 19998 pennies, which in pounds, I think let's change it to pounds, is going to be 199 pounds 98. That is our answer. Let's just take a quick look at what would happen then if we swapped it around. Just to check really. So then we'd have 98 times 100, so 9,800 plus 199. And this would become 9999, which is indeed half of that. So all checks out. All right, nice little question on this topic.